Alright guys, welcome to Caldwell Fitness, and today we're going to be doing the Goli gummy unboxing. So, I got this off TikTok for about 33 bucks, and that's with free shipping. And this is my second bundle of this I've ordered. It comes with the sugar-free, this is the sugar-free bundle. So it comes with apple cider vinegar, pre and post biotic, and the Ashweganda. So come with those three. Now, this product right here, this pre and post biotic, I've taken this. I've got a 3-pack of this, a 3-pack bundle of this alone. So this right here, this works really good. It really supports digestion when you eat. You do feel the food, your digestion just overall better. It helps with bloating. And right here, you're supposed to take 3 a day, and it has 20 gummies inside. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this. They have a bundle just on this alone. It comes with a pack of 3. So yeah, that's the pre and postbiotic. Second is sugar-free apple cider vinegar. I've tried the regular one and the sugar-free one. You don't really taste a difference. But with this, it's supposed to help with bloating, and this also has probiotics in it, so it helps. It aids in digestion as well. And with this one, you take 2 gummies and you get a serving of 30. So, yep, this right here, this apple cider vinegar, it does what it says it's going to do. Now, third, the ashwagandha. So let me tell you my experience with this. So when I took this ashwagandha, can I say I really feel a difference? I could say I was less anxious. I was more calm. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna just say, oh yeah, it does this, does that. But I'm gonna kind of see how it make me feel this time. But it has KSM 66, ashwagandha, L-theanine, maca, and vitamin D. You know, and I guess if they ain't here, all those things are good for you. So it comes with these 3. Comes with these 3 right here. Comes with, make it look pretty. So, comes with the apple cider vinegar. It helps with digestion and bloating. Pre and postbiotic. It helps with digestion. So when you eating your food, you know, you take 2 of these afterwards. You know, then you'll start feeling your digestion better. And the ashwagandha is supposed to help with relaxation, anxiety, you know, relaxing the body. And it's also supposed to help with your mind. It's supposed to help clear your mind. You'll be able to think better. I forgot to mention that. So if I feel that taking it this time, I will let you guys know. But this is the TikTok bundle, TikTok Goli gummy bundle. This isn't my first one. This is my second one. And what I recommend, yes, especially this one right here. These 2 right here are the main ones, but this one is the one I can say is most potent. And one more thing, when you take the middle one, you kind of want to let your body be able to fast to stay too, so again, it can work better. You can get the most out of it. So yeah, that's my Goli gummy unboxing. If you have a TikTok account, I would recommend you give it a try. These alone in the store, just one of these alone is like 20 bucks. You get all 3 of these for 33 bucks with, that's plus tax and with free shipping. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good one. God bless.